Hi everyone, my name is Rain and this is my husband Chano. We are currently living in the wonderful country of Ireland, but we love traveling to new places around the world and sharing our adventures. Welcome to our channel, Rain or Shine. Chano and I spent several days exploring some of the most amazing islands in the Gulf of Naples in the region of Campania, Italy. Procida, our first destination, is a tiny, calm and colorful island, one of the best kept Italian secrets. Watch until the end because we are sure that you are gonna fall in love with the charming Procida and realize why it's worth visiting. Thanks for joining us. Ciao, buongiorno. We are here in Napoli and we are waiting for our boat going to Procida. We arrived late last night around 10 o'clock. There were no more ferries available, so we had to stay in a hotel. Now we are ready to start a new trip full of adventures. I'm so happy now that we're gonna eat our breakfast. Let's eat! As soon as we arrived in the island, we took a nice breakfast in a local cafe. While we were eating our cornetto, I greeted an elder man who just came out from the bar. After chatting with him for quite some time, he invited us to visit his gallery, which was just in front of us. Of course, Chano and I were more than willing to see his artwork. This is Luigi Nappa, a former seaman, a talented artist and writer, and a very kind soul. He unselfishly shared valuable life lessons that he learned from his 80+ years of life. We bought one of his books and he even signed it for us. If you're going to visit Procida, look for his shop and have a chat with Luigi, and it will surely make your trip extra special like it did for ours. After our lovely encounter with Luigi, it was time to do our check-in and start exploring the island. You can take a bus from the harbor to the accommodation, but we decided to walk as we had enough time to do so. We just checked in our accommodation for 2 days. It's really nice because we have our own kitchen and bathroom. It's also affordable and very convenient because it's near the historic center and the famous Postino Beach. Now it's time to visit the beach. This beach is nowadays known after a famous Italian old comedy drama film, Il Postino. My husband and I watched the said film before our trip. Watching it added more meaning to our visit as we felt a bigger connection with some places in Procida.
Where are we going?
We're going to Secret Beach.
Easy access.
You told me it's an easy access.
Most of the visitors stay where they shot some of the scenes of the famous movie The Postman, but if you move more to the right, there's like another beach here. It feels more secluded and it's like you have the beach on your own, but only if you like it to be more peaceful. But you can only reach here when it's low tide, so we have to be careful because the tide might change and we'll be trapped here forever.
No.
After visiting the beach, it was time for authentic Italian food. Sometimes I think that I'm more excited about the foods than the places. I had been craving for fresh seafoods, and when the meals arrived on our table, I almost cried. And by the way, the restaurant where we ate is very famous also because of the film Il Postino. After eating our delicious Italian meals, we didn't waste more time and explored the lovely streets of Procida to our heart's content, starting from the main tourist port where the restaurant was located, the Marina di Corricella. Procida may not be so famous as the nearby islands like Ischia and Capri, but we fell in love instantly with this tiny island. There are clusters of traditional houses along the waterfront, each one painted in vivid colors like pink, yellow, orange, red, or blue. Even the most popular areas of Procida have a laid-back, authentic, and traditional feel. This is one of the main reasons why Procida is my favorite island in this whole trip. If you're looking for a more chill and local vibe, Procida is, in my opinion, the best island to visit if you have to choose only one. To end our perfect day, we climb up a steep road to the area known as Terra Murata to watch the sunset from there. The view over the Marina di Corricella is absolutely romantic. My husband and I enjoyed watching the sunset over the infinite horizon, an unforgettable scene decorated with fishing boats in the harbor, colorful fishermen houses, and the lemon sherbet-colored church of Santa Maria delle Grazie in Coronata.
This is our dinner for tonight. It's an authentic Italian pizza. My husband is Spanish, so he doesn't know how to cut a pizza.
Well, this is not the nice to
Ooh, where is it going? Inside his mouth.
My husband, who is absolutely passionate about landscape photography, went out very early in the morning before most of the people got up from their slumber, including me. While I was cozily asleep under warm blankets, my husband enjoyed the serenity of the town, and he was accompanied by the singing of birds and soft splashes of the seawater to the harbor.
Buongiorno! This is our second day in the wonderful island of Procida. We just ate our breakfast real quick in our apartment, and now we are ready to explore this amazing place. Let's go! Yesterday, we spent the whole day on that part of the island. Most tourists, when they visit Procida, they would spend only one day in the most famous part of this island, which is called La Corricella. But for Chano and I, we decided to stay here for 2 days and visit other beautiful places, such as this viewpoint, Belvedere, Elsa, Morante. We are still looking for the beach where the Faraglioni di Procida are located. We are following Google Maps, but it brought us somewhere that doesn't look so safe. So we will try another road and we'll update you if we are able to find the beach. Actually, there's a sign here that points where the beach is, and we went to the other direction. Latest update, we have finally found the beach. Remember to always use your sunblock.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away.
We just finished eating our delicious lunch and now we are in the harbor and just resting. Maybe I'll take a nap before we go back again to the beach to take our sunset photos. His sunset photos.
I'm gonna take a nap.
I will take a nap.
No, I'm gonna take a nap. Time to wake up.
Okay, let's go.
That was so fake. I just slept for 1 hour.
Mi amor. What are you doing, mi amor? There are storm clouds behind us, but the sun is still there and we are maximizing our time. Just as long as there's light, we will take more videos and photos. But for now, I'm enjoying it with my husband.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time that you wanna fight me. Halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, missing that.
Buongiorno! We are eating our last breakfast here in Procida and we're so sad because it's very hard to leave this beautiful island. But we are also excited because we are going to the amazing island of Ischia. That ends our first episode of our Islands of Naples travel series. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Stay tuned for our next episode where we will show you another wonderful island, Ischia. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, rain or shine.